Welcome to excel4tally.com. In this video, we will learn how to import Flipkart sales and sales return report from Excel to Tally by excel4tally.com. Click here if you are a new user and not registered yet. Click here to sign in with your registered email. Sign in with registered email and password. Click on Try Free to use the trial mode for importing Flipkart sales and sales return. Download sample Excel template from here. Open the downloaded Excel template. The downloaded sample file has same format as file comes from Flipkart. UOM, unit of measurement, is compulsory to write as per Tally format. So write UOM in this column. Fill all the data in columns and save the file. Create new company by clicking here. Select company from the list if already created. Choose Excel file by clicking here. Click here if you want Tally to auto-generate master. This is trial mode, so only 5 records will processed. Click on Process Excel records after selecting file. Downloading of file depends upon system's internet speed. Open downloaded file in Internet Explorer. Copy the path of XML file. Create a new company in Tally or import it to your existing company. Paste the copied path here by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus V. Check log report by following step. Open this file in Notepad. Created records are 18 and errors are 0 in this file. Check the records in voucher register. Voucher type Flipkart sales will create automatically and all the records will import. All the ledger will also create automatically. Click on Buy if you want to buy this template and enjoy importing your all data without any limitation. Click on Cart and proceed. Write number of month here. Speak to expert for any product related or price related query. Please write your billing details here. Enter promo code here if you have or contact us for special offers. Click on Proceed to Payment for online payment. Click on Create Ticket for any query. Write the subject and attach any related file and send us. Our team will reach you shortly. Help and support files are also here. You can check here if you are getting any error. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for getting updates. Contact us by email or helpline numbers. Thank you.